GoPro launched the next iteration of its popular action camera, the GoPro HERO11 series. The series include HERO11 Black, the HERO11 Black Mini, and the top-of-the-line HERO11 Black Creator Edition. The Creator and the Mini editions will be available later this year. Today, we look at the HERO11 Black and see some of the changes and improvements it offers over its predecessor. For starters, the GoPro HERO11 Black retains a similar design to its predecessor, which means if you have seen the GoPro Hero 10, then the HERO11 isn't that different. The most significant change, however, comes in the form of a new sensor. Its 1 by 1.9 inch sensor is bigger than what GoPro Hero 10 offered, and it claims to offer better and brighter output. The new sensor is also capable of handling 10-bit color and an 8 by 7 aspect ratio for videos. So what else do you get with the new GoPro HERO11 camera is support for 5.3K resolution videos at 60 frames per second and 4K videos at 120 frames per second, which is the same as the previous generation. And there are a handful of new video modes available, such as standard, full frame activity, cinematic and ultra slow-mo modes. The larger sensor also enables high-resolution photos capturing capabilities at 27 megapixels resolution. The GoPro HERO11 Black also comes with the Enduro battery, which according to the company offers up to 38% better recording times over the older battery. 360-degree horizon lock now comes as standard feature that lets users lock the orientation of the video. Simply put, the feature allows you to turn the camera completely upside down while the horizon stays perfectly level and upright. GoPro has also introduced Hyperview, the widest field of view ever on a GoPro camera, which is ideal for filming first-person views of yourself biking, skiing, surfing, motorcycling, and similar activities. The new GoPro HERO11 Black also comes with Hyper Smooth 5.0, which offers improved video stabilization. GoPro has also added 3 new time-lapse modes, which are star trails, light painting and vehicle light trails. With the HERO11 Black, each of them is appropriately oriented towards capturing those subjects with a trailing effect. And all this, the GoPro HERO11 Black is priced at $49,999. So that is everything that you need to know about the GoPro HERO11 Black. And for more tech-related videos, subscribe to Gadgets Now YouTube channel. And if you like this video, a thumbs up would be appreciated.